Can we use the power of artificial intelligence to help us uncover the next 100x potential crypto gem? Ladies and gentlemen, that is the question we're going to be asking ourselves today, as we will be using AI to break down, understand, and analyze MAGA meme coin, otherwise known as Trump. Now, for anyone who is new to this series, basically what we are doing is we are taking the top 200 cryptocurrency projects and we're analyzing them, we're breaking them down almost like it's the NFL or the NBA Combine. So for anyone unaware, basically what the Combine is it's where all of the top athletes will come and they will compete on a series of tests, a series of evaluations, and they will basically be scored, they will be graded on these evaluations, and these scores will determine how good of an athlete they are, right? They will determine whether the teams, the coaching staff want to invest in them, want to draft them. And so we're going to be taking this same thought process and we're going to be applying it to cryptocurrency projects. So you can see here the 6 key metrics that we will be using AI to break down and score on each individual project. And so the reason that we're doing it this way, the reason that we're using AI, is because we're building our investment thesis on facts and not opinions. And so this is not just going to be some dude shilling you some coin trying to sell his bags or whatever, right? Like there's no vested opinion, there's no vested interest. It's very, very fast and efficient, as you'll see. And to be honest, artificial intelligence is probably smarter than us. It is probably better at considering more variables to make a combined better decision than we would be able to with our own human brain. And then finally, it's scientific, it's replicatable, and so you can take all of the prompts, everything will be in the description. You can take them yourself and you can apply them to any project that is of interest to you, and you'll get similar results. And so without further ado, let's jump in and analyze this project. Alright, what's up everybody? We are back here with another AI crypto review. A little bit of a different one here. We're going to be looking at MAGA meme coin. Trump is the ticker. Obviously this is going to be a little bit different because this is obviously a meme coin, and really the utility behind it, and all of the things that we typically judge in this series, as you can see here, the idea, product, execution, adoption, community, and team. I mean, it kind of all hinges on the meme, right? It's like all that Donald Trump. So we're going to go through, it might be a little bit different if you're new to the series. Essentially, this is where we use AI to analyze the top 250 crypto projects. And so we're going to be putting Trump through this the same process. We're going to see what happens. I don't know exactly how the AI will look at it, but essentially we look at each individual aspect, right, of the project. So it's not just about understanding the project as a whole. It's about understanding each individual aspect, that the idea that it's going after, the product, execution, all that sort of stuff. So let's just go ahead and throw this in here, see what we come back with, right? So we got the executive summary. We're going to throw this into ChatGPT with our system. Again, the document and all the prompts will be in the description below. You can get them. You can run this system on any coin that you want yourself. And also our community using AI Alpha, our community will be in the description below if you like the idea of using AI to find potential investment opportunities. So let's jump in here. Let's see. MAGA meme coin is a meme-based cryptocurrency designed to create a community-driven digital asset with a playful, patriotic theme. Positioned within the meme coin sector of the crypto ecosystem, MAGA meme coin appeals to enthusiasts of the meme culture, political satire, primarily made for individuals who enjoy engaging online communities. I think we understand, we all get this, right? We don't necessarily need to go ahead and read it all word for word. Again, the document will be in the description. So let's have a look here. Let's see, if we were to ask, because again, this is really how you analyze a company, right? This is a business, a real crypto project. We're asking these questions. What problem does it solve? So let's see what it comes back with. Alright, so I got a 5. So addresses the niche problem related to engaging meme culture within the crypto space, but lacks significant. Yeah. Alright, so 5 overall for the idea. Evidence and logic. You'll be able to see the system here, guys, and this is actually, I mean, in my opinion, it's a valuable system, right? The whole idea of what we're creating here is a way by which to analyze crypto projects without the bias that we typically will bring to the market. You know, it's like if you own a coin, you just fundamentally you want it to do well, right? Like your brain will give you a million reasons as to why you should invest, why you should go all in. You know, or you see your friend making gains and you want to go all in because, you know, you don't want to miss out the FOMO and all that sort of stuff. This is trying to remove all of that, right? It's trying to use artificial intelligence to really get a grasp of the project in an unbiased way where we can really dig deep and understand all the fundamentals. And so typically we'll be looking for a product, we'll be looking for a good idea behind the project. We can see here, again, this is a meme, so it's really like it's the puzzle doesn't fit in the jigsaw hole, right? Because memes really are fundamentally a different thing than a project that needs users and so on and so forth. But we'll nonetheless, we'll go through and you'll just see the template. You'll get an idea of how it works. So we like to look at execution. So we like to see, is the team executing on their vision? Basically, we're just getting 5s across the board here, as you can see. We like to look at adoption. So to do that, we do on-chain metrics. So we jump in and we look on-chain. We see, are there more token holders? Are there more users? Are there more active addresses? I'm not sure if we will be able to find this on-chain data, but we are looking. Let's see. Bang. See if it can search actually on-chain here. See this, and so this is clearly a metric that you want to be looking for in growth for, you know, and total holders, transactions, all of this stuff is somewhat evidence of adoption. Again, this is not a coin that is, the purpose of it is to meme and pump, and they're doing some stuff, donating to veterans and Save the Children, which is I support, and I also support Donald Trump. I hope he wins. Trump 24, baby. So let's keep moving forward here. Let's see what we got. Searching the Twitter, so we're looking at the community. 6.5, 23,000 followers on Twitter. And then finally the team behind it. What do we have coming for the team? And again, guys, you can take all these prompts, you can take them and you can use them on any project yourself, right? So you can take this and you can score it and you can grade it, and also you can join our community. Free on Discord. Go ahead and check that out if this is of interest to you. If using AI to find investment opportunities is of interest. We can see 5 and 6.5. So not the highest score here for the Don. But again, like I mentioned, we're trying to get it to do something that it's really not fundamentally built to do. So the total score, this is our last little piece of the puzzle. We have our little calculation algorithm. This will give it the total score. Is this still going? Stop that. And then we'll calculate the total score here. While we're doing that, let's just look at it technically. This is probably where the more interesting information is to be held. And the immediate thing that stands out to me is look how respected that trend line is. I personally would be watching this with great attention. If this thing breaks, probably be looking at a move sort of back down into 88.6 here. What's that, $5? Seems like decent support down there at $5. Obviously 61.8 as well. These are kind of your next stops if we lose this trend line. It would also confirm a big market structure top there, which would actually be pretty ugly, like that. Big M breaking the trend line as well, so I would be cautious of that. Technically, that's how I'd look at it. Total score 5.4 for Donald Trump. That is a review, guys. If you got some value, I mean, you probably didn't get much value, right, to be honest, but you get it, the idea of what we're doing. We're doing all the top 250 projects, so the real projects that are actually, you know, that fit this category. Go check those out if you got some, if you got some value. And once again, join the community if you like the idea of doing this. We geek out in there every day looking for different investment opportunities. So we'll chuck this in. MAGA comes in at 5.4. That's a review, guys. Thanks everyone for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.